unveiling the secrets of the most elusive desert creature. Imagine a desert, vast and merciless. Yet, life thrives, like the rare fennec fox, smallest of its kind. With ears as large as its face, it listens for danger and hunts at night, escaping the relentless sun. Not just surviving, but thriving, the Addax antelope's hooves are designed to walk on shifting sands effortlessly. The jerboa, a tiny kangaroo of the desert, leaps to astonishing lengths, evading predators in moonlit dances. These resilient beings share a silent bond, a testament to nature's adaptability in the harshest environments.